You ever heard the story of Joe Dart? Well, today's the day, I think, as we're working on getting the motor put in it. Oh yeah. This is Joe's new power plant. It's a 02 5.9 Magnum HO. We decided to just literally cut the front end off to get everything a little easier. We made a complete mess in here last night, but anyways, so transfer case, tranny, those are both going. We're going to convert this over to blow-through carb and put a Procharger on it is the plan. I might just run it NA to see how it runs first, just because it's so easy to get these in. My intake should go right on it. The only things we might do before we do that is my water pump is a little different, so the timing cover, put a fresh timing chain on it so we don't blow the thing up right away. This thing's got like 180,000 on it. Yeah, that'd be nice. And Joe, I've had a 318 for 10 years, so it'd be nice to have a 360. So now that I've shown you what Joe Dirt looks like 10 years after I got it, let's go back in time a little bit. What is Joe Dirt? Well, Joseph Dierte Nunimeki III is a 1975 Dodge Dart Swinger that I literally spent every penny I had to buy back in 2010. I get asked pretty often, why don't I just sell that piece of crap? Well, the reason I can't sell that piece of crap is that Joe Dirt reminds me of where I came from. Me and Alice started off life very young with nothing, delivering pizzas, just barely getting by. We had kids super early, and it was super stressful. This is something that I bought, and I kind of built myself, even though it's kind of a piece of crap. I found Joe listed online for $1,500. After talking to the guy, I got him down to $750. And basically, the car was kind of primered. He had done some work. He got it from a guy at his, he worked at a machine shop. Some guy's dad died and left it to him. Either way, I talked him down to $750, and we literally had to steal every dollar we had out of savings to be able to buy this thing. And it came as a slant 6 car with just boxes of parts. We had to roll up on a trailer. I brought it home. The motor we're going to be yanking out is actually a 318 that I sourced from a 67 Barracuda. It's an orange block with diplomat heads. It has like a cam and some other little shit. Over the years, basically, I got the car from a box of parts to actually getting the seats in, getting the carpet in, built a dash for it, converted over to electronic ignition. I built a X-pipe exhaust for it. Obviously, it's got the 4-wheel disc brakes as we broke the original rear end once I put a V8 in it. Has a Ford 88 with a 410 gear. I drove the car this way for about 8 years. 2 years ago, I just kind of stopped driving it because it started getting... the motor's tired. I've done probably 3 sets of tires worth of burnouts with this fucking thing. Just absolutely beat the shit out of it every time I've driven it. Joe's never been fast, so it's just been kind of fun and sounds good. I'm kind of the point in my life that we have 10 personal cars and the dealership and all this stuff. I don't know why I don't put some time into it. All of my spray paint I put on 10 years ago has completely fallen off. Maybe I should actually sand it down and either apply some more spray paint or paint it properly. I don't know what I'm going to do with the thing. Either way, I'm going to get it running, do some nasty burnouts with it. Of course, I went through my phone recently and deleted all my old videos, and I don't have anything to put with it. So we're going to swap her over, get her done, and I'm going to just absolutely thrash it and record some of that. I used to have a whole, 30-page build thread of me doing every little thing to this to actually get it so I could drive it each day. For about 8 years, I put almost 10,000 miles of summer on it. I have a lot of miles on this thing. It's time to bring it back to life. Bill, our tech, got the motor separated. Taking a look in the valley, it's not bad here, so we're going to order some gasket kits and swap over what we can from the 318 to try to make a little bit of power with this NA. So now that I do have a little something to my name, it's time to bring this piece of crap back to life. And Joe Dirt deserves it. It's got me through so many hard times. Let's get it going. Please comment, like, subscribe, and follow the build. There's going to be more episodes coming eventually. Thanks.